Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. The Paw Patrol crew has a mission and they have their blue Jeep. There was a huge rain and windstorm last night. The leaves blew all over. We need to inspect the damage. Let's go, crew. Uh-oh, the drain pipe blew off. We need to put it back together, Chase. We need to make sure the water drains properly so it doesn't flood the house. Good job, Chase. Uh-oh, we've spotted another problem. The big trellis that holds up our grape plant has blown over. We might need all the pups to get this back up. It landed on the grapevine and the grapevine broke. Oh dear. All right, we pushed it back up. Rubble inspects the grapevine. It looks like only one little piece broke off. So the grapevine is going to be just fine. Sky looks in the wheelbarrow. It's full of water and leaves. We need to pour it out. There was so much rain last night. We'll dump the water into this drain. Rocky spots something else that blew over. Our windmill. And it dropped right into our herb garden. Ooh. Rocky inspects the damage. There's only one little dent. Thank goodness. Good job, Paw Patrol crew. We're only missing one member. Who is it? Now it's time to clean up the leaves. Someone's already on it. Good job, Zuma.